I'm Casey Barris from the Songbird generation. I was just practicing my vocal warm-ups for the band because we're about to have band practice.
What did you do today?
Nothing.
I have also done nothing.
It's a common thing.
Yeah. It's pretty much what this band is about.
Nothing.
I've got nothing.
No, I've got nothing.
I've got nothing.
Nothing. We did nothing. What more do you want from us? We did nothing.
Nada.
Nothing.
Else.
What is your name?
My name is Colin.
What do you play?
Jaguar. Bass. It's a bass, it says here. Yeah. So that I thought it was a type of fish, but yeah.
This is what?
Look how low I have to bend with this camera. I feel like this is the first time I felt tall. It's like...
It's the first time I felt short.
Right, I'll just...
Yeah, okay, you're blocking my view. They want to see me, not you.
So Anthony, as a general member of the public, what do you think of the Songbird? Now these are two singers singing together to sound harmonised, right? And it sounds really good. 2, 3, 4. I am so. Fuck, we need to get the right note. Oh, what? So Sam, what do you think of the new band name?
I can remember it this time, which is a definite plus. What is it again?
Songbird.
Fuck my knees.
Oh shit.
That was